Hello guys, welcome to the Hi-Fi Parenting channel. So today I have got very interesting topic, introduction of feeding cup to 6 months old baby. What I bought these two cups. These are from company Nook, and you can see one of these cup is from 6 months plus, and another one says that it's from 6 to 18 months of baby. So before we start, please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also press on the bell icon so you receive all the updates. Let's get started. So we start with this smaller cup. You can see it has this blue color and it says that it's for the babies from 6 to 18 months old. If we open the box, it comes with this small description inside. You can see it comes with its cap and it has a stopper inside, and it can maximum be filled with 150 ml of fluid. And the teat is of rubber. This is one bottle or one cup that we bought, and this is the second cup. This is also a trainer cup. So here it's called as learner bottle, and this one is trainer cup. So let's open this as well. So this is also very nice and pretty. You can see it has very nice cartoons on it. It can maximum be filled with 230 ml. It has this cap which can be removed, and this part is also made up of latex, but compared to this one it's harder. So this is really the soft one, however this is a bit harder. So we can open this, and it comes with this special system of rubbers to control the flow of the fluid. So it has this no drip function as well, so if the baby moves around with this cup, the fluid would not come out like this. Does it have any instruction or manual inside? Let's see. Yes, it has. Important instruction for users: before using the cup for the first time, boil all individual parts for about 5 minutes, taking care that there is sufficient water in the pan to avoid damage. For hygiene reasons, clean thoroughly before each use. Clean the parts in warm water if necessary. Store the cup in a clean and dry place. If there are visible deposits, soak the silicone bulb or drinking attachment in a soapy water for approximately 10 minutes. Then rinse using fresh water. So we have compared two cups, a bigger Nook cup, a trainer cup which comes with 230 ml, and the smaller one with 150 ml, a bit softer teeth. Both are made of latex, but this is comparatively softer, this is comparatively harder. This comes with this drip effect, so the fluid will not be dripping if the baby takes it and moves around. However, this has this latex teeth which also prevents leakage in some extent, not really 100%. Babies of 6 months of age probably would like this teeth more if they have not been introduced to soft teats beforehand, such as feeding bottles. But if they have been fed with bottle before, they are used to of soft teeth, so they might prefer this bottle again. So for your baby, you need to decide if the baby likes soft teeth or a bit harder teeth. Baby of 6 months plus age, they are teething, so usually they like a bit of a harder teeth, which can also massage their gums because of this teething process. I have experienced that the babies who take soft bottle or already fed with feeding bottles, they like softer teeth more as compared to the harder teeth. And the babies who are breastfed, they are usually happy with the harder teeth later on as well. I have one more comparison, so I can show you. So this is a cup which I bought before these Nook cups. This is from Avent, and this also has a capacity of, I think, 100 ml or something, 150 ml. And it also comes with this stopper or dripping effect, so it's this no drip effect. And this also has these handles to carry, and it also comes with this cover or cap to prevent the teeth. However, this teeth is really hard. It is made of latex, but still it's very hard teeth. And it's difficult for the baby to suck from this teeth. My baby does not really make it to get the fluid out of this teeth. And there is also a leakage of the bottle on the sides when we are feeding baby using this cup, so the fluid leaks from sides. We tried everything. We tried different ways to make it tighten, but nothing really helped. So we have decided to change the cup because it's not working for our baby anyway. In my experience, my baby has rejected this Avent cup. So the baby is no more interested in this cup. So this is of no use for us. We have bought this Nook cup. This looks nice and fancy, and hopefully baby will accept this and will continue feeding with this cup. If you have not liked my video yet, do like my video and share it with your friends and family who might need this comparison to decide for a best cup for their baby beyond 6 months of age. One recommendation, do introduce your cup at this age. It's very nice age to introduce cup. I have also experienced with my previous kids. 6 months of age is really nice age to introduce cup. They love these cups and they slowly and gradually become used to of drinking through these cups. And it's really nice for the later stage. They switch to the normal beakers or normal cups very easily once they are into. But if they are, I have seen many babies who are used to of bottle feeds, and if they continue up to first year of their life or up to the first birthday, it's difficult for them to introduce to the cups later on. So they take really long, maybe 3 or 4 years to really leave the bottle and come to the cup. So 6 months of age is really a nice age to introduce cups or feeding cups to the babies. So guys, I hope you like my video. Hit the like button. This is the appreciation of the work we do here. And also share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.